Hey everyone, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best education to help you take your trading to the next level. I'm your host Desmond, and today we're diving into something that's been making waves in both the financial and crypto worlds, the US Crypto Strategic Reserve. If you're wondering what it is, why it matters, and what it means for the future, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. First up, the big news, US President Donald Trump signed an executive order on March 6, 2025, just a few days ago as of this recording, to officially establish this crypto strategic reserve. This isn't just some random policy footnote, it's a bold move to position the United States as a heavyweight in the global digital asset game. Think of it like the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, but instead of oil, we're talking cryptocurrency, digital gold for the 21st century. Trump's been vocal about making the US the crypto capital of the world, and this order is a major step toward that vision. Right, so what coins are we talking about here? Right, the reserve isn't just a Bitcoin-only club, though Bitcoin's definitely the star of the show. Right, the executive order sets up a strategic Bitcoin reserve specifically, right, capitalizing on the roughly 200,000 Bitcoin the US government already holds from criminal seizures. Right, that's worth about $17 billion at today's prices, but it doesn't stop there. There's also a broader US digital asset stockpile for other cryptocurrencies. Trump's hinted at including Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano alongside Bitcoin. These are some of the biggest names in crypto, each with its own fan base and use case. Ethereum for smart contracts, XRP for fast payments, Solana for speed, and Cardano for its tech-forward approach. Right, it's a diverse lineup, and it's got the crypto community buzzing about which coins might get the official nod. Now, here's the $1 million question, or maybe the $17 billion question. How's this thing getting funded? Here's where it gets clever. The reserve isn't dipping into your tax dollars, at least not directly. The White House has made it clear this will be budget neutral. The initial stash comes from cryptocurrencies the government's already seized through law enforcement, like Bitcoin taken from criminal cases or civil forfeitures. Right, think Silk Road bust or ransomware crackdowns. Beyond that, right, the Treasury and Commerce departments are tasked with figuring out ways to acquire more crypto without adding costs to taxpayers. Right, that could mean partnerships, strategic deals, or leveraging existing assets. David Sachs, Trump's crypto and AI czar, called it a digital Fort Knox that won't cost a dime extra. Of course, some skeptics wonder if that's too good to be true. Right, we'll have to see how it plays out. So, what's the takeaway, right? The US Crypto Strategic Reserve is a game changer. It's the government saying, we're not just watching crypto from the sidelines, we're stockpiling it like a national resource. With Bitcoin and potentially other big name coins in the mix, funded by seized assets and some creative budgeting, this could reshape how the world sees digital currencies. Will it drive prices up, boost adoption, spark a global crypto race? Time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The US is betting big on blockchain. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this dive into the Crypto Strategic Reserve, thanks for tuning in. And in the meantime, do remember to subscribe to our podcast here at IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the very best education to take your trading to the next level. Until then, stay informed and stay tuned.